Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to get like one of my YouTube videos. I got shotgun lyrics. I'll show you how to do that without doing screen recording. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into Google. I prefer Google. Gonna click the plus button. You're gonna go back to the tab you had before. Gonna search up YouTube. Yeah, I'm in YouTube. Then, if you want something, you're going to say if you want, you got a friend of me from Toy Story. You got a friend in me. And you scroll down and you find, and you want this one, or this one. But what you're gonna do is you see this up here, you're gonna make it blue, shade, and you're gonna click copy. Then you're gonna go to a new tab, go to and it'll come up with this U2 to MP3. You're gonna click that, then you're gonna click this. Well, I don't think that's the right one. I think it's this one. I think you're gonna click this second one down here. Yeah, it's this one. Then you're gonna right click and you're gonna click paste. I didn't do it because I don't want to. So all you're gonna do is that, and then right click, I think it's right click, and then click paste. And it's easy as that. Now we're gonna go back to my YouTube channel. Tyler Wilkinson. And then, if you want to go to videos, here, this is how I went to this. My sister Madison did this. Went to this website, got the shotgun lyrics, converted it, downloaded it to my files. It's right there. And then I click the little film button, and then I uploaded it, and now it's there. It's got 3 views so far. And now I'll show you how to edit in this video. Now I didn't use, here I'll show you. I forgot what it was called, but I didn't use this. I didn't use that. Here, this is what I did. I know how to use a computer. And I use this one by Hawky Walkie. And now for the editing app. It's right here. I'm not going to go into it because I don't have to edit anything because I'm probably not going to edit this video. So make sure you're dabbing on those haters. Well, yeah. That video probably wasn't copyright. I was just showing you the lyrics. I don't know if it was copyright or not. Anyway, bye bye.